What's up, guys? Devin with Adventure Hobby Passion back today doing another video. And Josh is here. It's kind of going to actually be a very different video than normal because we're actually, I'm not really going to be working. I'm just going to be helping and filming. We're going to be working on his project, but let's go over something first before we do. Guys, I got this sick deal today at Home Depot. $100 for this. 432 pieces. That's like a quarter. That's less than a quarter a piece. It's freaking crazy. Alright, but let's actually go to the real video for today. Oh, and also, thanks Josh for the speaker. You're the best. I'm gonna rock out once we get the time lapse going. But, so this is Keith's new bike. Would you call it a Baja, or what would you call it?
Keith's bike?
No, Josh.
Yeah, you said Keith.
I did say Keith? My bad, it's Josh.
Baja or Coleman frame, looks like. Doing a Predator swap.
But what are we going to be doing in this specific video?
Pulling this motor off. Going to see how Predator fits and see if we can get it right.
And you also wanted to tack the seat so it stays straight. And we're going to weld this foot peg so it doesn't keep moving around a lot. The other one's already welded anyway, so we might as well just match it up to the other side. And yeah, probably do just what like Redbeard's Garage does eventually. Put a Predator 212 on it, maybe a 420, who knows? Maybe we just got to convince Josh to do it.
It's going to happen as soon as I can get a motor.
And we're going to put pretty much an engine swap on this sucker. We're going to most likely do the gearing swap like Redbeard's Garage does. He recommends the 60 tooth. We're gonna freaking get this thing going so he can cruise and go off-roading with me on the Doodlebug. If you haven't seen that video on that, freaking go check it out. It's in the down below. Just go check out my channel. It's in one of the playlists. Alright, so yeah, let's jump right into the time lapse of getting this thing done. All right, guys, that's the end of the time lapse today. We're doing a nice short thing. We end up discussing. So we need a longer chain. So, and we got the engine on, bolts up right nice and easy. We knew that. Well, I knew that. Josh was a little skeptical.
A little tight.
It is a little tight, but it'll be fine. So what we're actually plans are going to be, instead of running the clutch, because we need to buy a new chain, we're like, instead of buying a new chain, we might as well just buy a torque converter. So this is my engine that we used to mock up, double check that it worked. Josh next week is going to go over to Harbor Freight, go get his own, if they have one come in. Hopefully they do.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna buy, and then he's also gonna buy a torque converter, and we're gonna have this, and then it'll be all set up and dope. I really need to freaking find some time to weld these forks and get that all done, and then we're gonna race. We're gonna race.
You're gonna kick my butt, but
I don't know. I mean, your top speed's gonna be much better,
oh yeah,
much higher. I don't know. It'll be a good video, fun little riding video. We'll also go off roading and a lot of the other stuff and that. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Somewhat different. I was just actually sitting in this chair by the camera, chatting with him, and I did grab the engine and grab some tools for him once in a while. But pretty much just relaxing for me. Got this other project on the channel we're going to be doing. Hopefully you enjoyed. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Biggest thing with my channel. Go out and go find your passion.